Good morning, friends. I am Manoj Kumar Soni. Today we will talk about UGC NET, who had NTA National Testing Agency 2024 June. Friends, you know, if you want to go higher education, you will have to now crack UGC NET or JRF, because without UGC NET or JRF, we can't imagine higher education now. Then let's start about NTA UGC NET. Friends, the notification of NTA UGC NET has been arrived. Today we will talk to you and tell you about new notification about June. I have already qualified NET, but when I qualified NET, that when the exam had on offline and paper was 3. After that, the UGC NET gone online. But this is a new news for you and opportunity. You can say your opportunity that this times I don't tell you it's gone and continue in future, but this time I think in 2024 June NET exam and offline. This is a new opportunity for you, because the rural areas child, your student know properly about offline online. So then this is a new opportunity for you. The paper this time UGC NET 2024 June is held offline. Let's start. I talk about first important date. The important date of application begin into 20 April, and the last date of apply 10 May. You have only 20 days, and in these 20 days you have you can apply for UGC NET. But fee payment 11 May 24. Correction date 30 to 15 May, and admit card before exam. The exam date held on 16 June 2024, and the exam held offline. I again repeat, the exam offline this time. After that, we will talk about you eligibility. After PG, we can NET exam. After PG, we can NET exam 55%. If we have 55% in PG, any stream PG, then we get UGC NET exam. But you can fill a form, fill form first semester. You can form fill up first semester, you can NET. But in 2 years, if you passed NET exam after first semester, but in 2 year you have to pass PG with 55% mark. If you have not 55% mark, then your net certificate means no use. Then after that you have against try. General and OBC candidate in the 55% in PG postgraduate, then they can apply in UGC NET. But reserve category like SC, ST, OBC, SC, ST, PH, only 50% mark in postgraduate. There is a new announcement that 4-year bachelor degree also can apply for NET, but they have to bring the 75% mark. After 75% mark they can apply for UGC NET, but they have a one chance, they can apply in the last semester, I mean 8th semester. 4-year bachelor degree in 8th semester, so they can apply after 7th semester. In 8th semester they can apply for NET. There is a new announcement. The 4-year bachelor degree student can apply. There is no necessary for PG. After that we talk about application fee. Application fee, there is a 3 category. I think this is a one form, I think, who have the 3 category. General 1150 rupees, EWS OBC 600 rupees, SC ST PH physical handicap 325 rupees. और the fees and online payment, through the online payment, not offline, only online payment. If we talk about age limit for JRF minimum 31 year for general candidate, but the reserve candidate like OBC, SC, ST 5-year relaxation, I mean 36 year. But for NET no age limit, for any category no age limit. Age relaxation for rules in the government. Then I talk about paper pattern. The paper in 180 minutes, I think 3 hours. Paper 1, paper 2, no break between 2 papers. Paper 1 is the 50 question, paper 2 is 100 question. 100 question and 50 question, like this. Paper 1 50 question, paper 2 100 question. In the paper 1 is a common paper. Every student have a one common question, same question. Only numbering is up and down, but same question, same paper, approx. ये common paper. And this is 100 question. Paper 2 is just relative subject. Relative PG degree. Your PG degree relative 100 question subject. This may 150 question. If we talk the syllabus, no changing in syllabus now this time, and no negative marking. This is only intro class. I will talk to you about syllabus, about age limit, about new changes. There is 4 changes this time. The government make 4 changes. Government or UGC make the 4 changes this time. I will talk to you next class in deeply. Thanks.